brand new subscription box. This is new to me. I have a Natalie Attired. Hi everyone, it's Barbara at BCsells. Welcome to my channel and welcome to an unboxing and try on my very first Natalie Attired. So I've been watching some videos on unboxings and try-ons and I'm like, oh, the clothes look really cute. So I decided to go ahead and give them a try. This is my very first one. So let's see what is in here. It did come in this bag and I'm assuming everything that you don't want goes back in here and gets returned. So I'm thinking there might be a label in here. So let's take a look. It's $20 styling fee. This is their classic collection. They have two different collections, a classic and a limited. I'm only gonna talk about the classic because I don't want to confuse you because I was confused on the differences. But this one is $20, free shipping on this one. You get 5 items and let's find out what else. Oh, handwritten note. Hi Barbara, welcome to Natalie Attired. I hope you love the collection. I curated for you and look forward to your feedback. Enjoy, Renee. So my stylist is Renee. Anyone else have Renee? And then it looks like here's some directions. Just looking to make sure I'm filming and like it's recording, and it is. Okay, good. All right, let's see. Just for you. Please take a few minutes to try everything on. Within 3 days of receiving your collection, you need to check out and return what you don't want to keep. Keep 3 items. Let's see. Keep all 5, you get 30% off. 30% discount, that's really good. Keep 3 or 4 items, you save 20%. Keep 1 or more items, your $20 styling fee will be deducted from your total. Oh, share. Why not share the love? Enjoy a $25 credit when each friend you refer makes her first purchase. Okay, so if you guys use my referral link, I will earn a $25 credit. And then when you guys order your first box, you'll have a link to share with your friends so you can earn credits. That's good, that's fun. Okay, let's see what's in. It looks like this is the invoice. So I'm not even gonna look at that. Oh no, here's the envelope. So they do give you an envelope. So I can throw the other one away. Okay. I'm excited, but I'm kind of nervous. Oh, we have a blue. This is a pretty blue. That's cute. I like the wrap. I love this color of blue. Looks like 3/4 sleeves. It's that stretchy material that kind of clings that middle part, so we'll see how that lays. Uh-oh. Ooh. Okay. Renee needs to get to know me a little bit more. I am not, this is so busy, I am not a floral girl. Oh, I guess I should have, no, it's not a tab sleeve. That's a cute sleeve. Look at that. That is cute. Okay, this is cute, even though it's floral. So it's very thin. And I wonder if this goes under, oh, I think I just have to put a cami underneath that. 2, 3, 4. Yes, I have to put a cami underneath it. Okay, this is cute. I like this. This is me. I like the ruffles. They're sheer, cute. I like that. I like this. Oh no. Yeah. We'll see. I don't care for that. I feel like it's too young for me. What's this? Oh, I requested this. You can make request. So here's the dress. Oh, what size is this? I don't know what size this is, but this dress, this is thicker than I thought it was gonna be. But look how, oh no, this will fit. It's got the elastic waist, which I normally don't do, but I think it has pockets. Yes, has pockets. So it looks like it would be a nice, easy dress to just wear casual, dress it up. That's cute. Okay, I like that. I do like the material on it because it's not gonna be, it doesn't feel like it's gonna be clingy, like clinging to the hips. Uh-oh, a pair of jeans. Oh goodness. Hope I can get these on, just black. Oh, these look tiny. Oh, They're my size, but I don't know. Yeah, this is gonna be touch or go. And they're too distressed for me. I mean, I like distressed jeans, but I do like the raw hem, and they are the light wash, which I prefer darker wash, but we'll try them on. I mean, this is my first box. Let's see how Renee did. So I'll be right back. Okay, let's start with the top. This is really cute. I can see in the monitor that you can see through this. I didn't notice that when I first put it on. It's really cute. I like the feel, the material. I like the ruffle sleeve. I like how it's more of a sheer and has a little design in it. I would just have to wear a different bra with this so it wouldn't be as noticeable or see-through, or put a cami with it. It sure is cute. Okay, so it has this sheerness on the bottom also, which I think is really nice. It has the slit, the arms go all the way up, the material to the arm. The fit is great. Sure is cute. Okay, let's talk about these jeans. Oh my gosh, I got them on. I mean, they went on pretty good. I mean, I had to kind of shimmy into them, but they are straight legs, or skinnies. They are too tight for me. I mean, they're not, actually they fit really well. I love the raw hem at the bottom. I like the length of them. I even do like the color. The thing that I don't care for are where the distressing is right in the knees. That's a deal breaker for me right there. But they feel great. They are high-waisted. Pockets. But because of the distressing right in the knees, that's a deal breaker for me. Okay, so let's see what's next. Okay, I am liking this top. I am really, really liking it. Oh my goodness, I would have never tried this on in the store. Okay, it is a little flowy, but not too flowy. I think because the way the cut is here, that helps it from being too boxy looking when it's all straight. So I like that. Love these sleeves. At first I thought they were tab sleeves. I was like, no tabs. Love the sleeves. I mean, this is all sheer, so obviously I have a cami on underneath it. There's no give to it. Well, there's not really. Like when I first put it on, I was a little concerned, but it feels great now that I have it on. I could do a front tuck, maybe. You guys know how I am about that. I mean, I can't really tell on the monitor. But do a front tuck. So cute. I like it. I really like it. Shocker. Okay, let's see what, it's kind of a little gathered right here at the neck. And it has like this little small closure in the back. Pretty, pretty, pretty. It's cute. I have to admit, I like it. Okay, let's try on the other top. Okay, this top is very much my style. The material is not, because it is clinging. I'm sucking it in. I'm like almost holding my breath. It's just too clingy. It's a faux wrap, but no, it's a true, well, what do you call it? So I think it's a real wrap, but it's gonna stay in place. I like the style of this. I love the this color. This color blue I really like. I'm probably confusing you guys, but I love this blue. I like the style of this a lot. And other than it just like clinging to this belly, If it weren't for that, it would be a keeper. But here's that, and these are high-waisted pants. Okay, these pants are a little tight. They're actually, the more I wear them, I like the way they feel because they are skinnies, and they are sucking me in. Yeah, it's holding in all that, you know, that extra, other than up here. It's pushing it out, but they are very comfortable. They really, really are. Okay, I'm excited about the dress. So that's the last item, fingers crossed. Okay, let me give you a close-up of this dress. What do you guys think? I kind of think it's a little too big for me, but I actually think that that might be the fit of the way it's supposed to fit. I don't know. I love the pockets, love the length of it. I like the ease of it. I think there's just something about the material right here that is just not, it's just not laying right. And I know it's supposed to be loose. I know that. I like the sleeves on it. It has a nice finished hem. And I normally don't wear elastic. So this is riding a little high where my waist is actually down here. This is my waist. But it wants to go, this is where it wants to stay, up here, way above my belly button's here. This wants to come up here. And maybe that's what's throwing it off. Maybe that's part of the problem. I was really hopeful for this dress. I just don't think the fit is right for me. Let me change back in my clothes and I'll give you my final thoughts. My first experience with Natalie Attired is really good. I think my stylist, Renee, did a great job. I'm not keeping everything. There's only really one possibility in this, but overall, I think she did a great job. For my first box, I think that's great. So thank you, Renee. Okay, so I didn't look at anything really. Let's see what how much everything is. Oh, this is a little more difficult to read. Let's start with the easy one. The ghillie dress, this. I know I can find this on here. Ghillie dress, short sleeve, leopard dress, $58. $58, that's really a good price, I think, for this dress. I think I'm more of an A-line girl, so it's more fitted on top and gives room for the hips, and it just kind of goes out. So, Renee, if you're watching, if you have anything like this in an A-line, send it to me in my next box. There will be another box because I'm impressed. Okay, so this is going back. Oh, we already know that this blue top, who's this by? Dunier, is that how you say that? This is navy, believe it or not, but it's a really pretty navy that I like. Let's see, this one I actually like. How much is this? Well, I'm gonna have to look at this price sheet from now on ahead of time. $59. Yeah, $59, no. Okay, this white top, who's this by? I guess I should, oh, skies are blue. Skies are blue, this is $48. This is a very pretty top, but I'm not gonna keep it. I think it looked cute on, and I think it looked good with the lighter wash jeans, but I am not a fan of this material on the bottom. I won't reach for it. I think I'm too old for it, actually. I really do. I mean, I like it, and I like these sleeves, and you guys might be saying, well, you're too old for those too, Barbara, but I like these sleeves, but this here at the bottom is kind of a deal breaker for me. And I know I could probably take it off or something, but you know, I'm not gonna pay that much for a top and then have to alter it. I'm not gonna do it. So it is cute. I like the sheer with the fabric, but because of this, it's going back, but I thought it did look cute. I really did. Do you believe me? I'm telling you the truth. Okay, these jeans. These jeans surprised me. I like them, I mean, when I look back at the footage and hear your comments, maybe not, but from what I know right now, just black, these are $82. I do not like the distressed on them. I mean, that's way too much, way too much. They're right in the knees. I do like the raw hem. I actually like this color. I thought it looked good with the cream top. I thought that looked really nice together. So those are going back. Okay, I'm on the fence with this blouse of all things. Who knew? Oh goodness. Well, let's see, how much is it? This is, oh, it's only $32 only. It's $32 by DNA. I've already paid $20 styling fee. If I don't keep anything, I lose it. So it'll be an additional $12 for me. So if I didn't like it or if I didn't think I would wear it, I wouldn't keep it. I would just go ahead and forfeit my $20. You know, that's okay with me. Somebody took the time, Renee took the time to put a box together for me, and there's value there. So, you know, there's your 20 bucks. Okay, and shipping's free to you and for returns. I'm gonna keep this. I mean, I'm gonna watch the video just to make sure and hear your comments, but I actually, I liked it. I like it, $32. I think it's a keeper. All right, let me know what you guys think. So overall, my first box, I think it's a win. Even though I'm not keeping everything and I'm only keeping one item, I think they did a really good job. So I look forward to my next box with Natalie Attired. And if you guys would like to give them a try and you use my link, I will receive a credit to use towards any future purchases. So thank you very much in advance. And that's all I have for you today. So thank you everyone for watching. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.